Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that is setting up for a massive move very soon and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel right after the intro. All right, y'all, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, right? So let's begin. Right off the bat, I told y'all this morning, for those of y'all who watched this morning's video, that we're going to break to test this previous line of resistance, and we got right through it by like 11 o'clock central time, and it just kept holding throughout the entire day. All right, right now we are in very extremely bullish territory. um are we going to have a massive pullback very soon? I honestly think that we're just gonna consolidate for 2 to 3 days. I think that we're just going to chill over here from, like, this is Tuesday and then Wednesday, and then on Thursday we're just gonna continue higher and get above 4,800. And while this thing is just chilling here, individual stocks are just gonna do their own thing. All right, it's not like everything is gonna go up all at once. It's just gonna be specific sectors doing their own individual thing. All right, so we'll see how it looks like in the morning. We'll see. Now, the stock that all of you should be keeping in your watches for the next few days, that stock is NVDA. All right, and the reason why I want to share NVIDIA with y'all is because of this. If you look on here, I think the 1 hour would do. Yeah, if you look on here, there is a flag right there. All right, the flag is there. The flag is clean right here, and it actually broke out right there in the morning at like 300 301, and it just kept going all the way up to 310 right there, and it closed at exactly 310. Now, since tomorrow is just going to be a consolidation day, I think it might just chill at exactly like the same price, and then on like Wednesday, yeah, on Wednesday it's gonna start creeping up and get above $320. There is some sellers right there that we gotta take out, these individuals, but I don't think that will be too much of a concern. So definitely watch the video for a pop above these levels and for a move all the way up to around like 335, maybe even 340 within the next few days. All right, I'm not bearish on Nvidia. The daily is looking fine. All right, the daily is not looking too bad. It's really not. There's some room over here. There aren't any gaps to fill at the top, and there also aren't any gaps to fill at the bottom, unless we want to go down all the way down here, which I don't think we're gonna fall that low anytime soon. We might eventually in time, it probably will, but short term I don't think it will. I think we're gonna go higher first, and then within the next few months, it may even take a year, then we may see another fall, like an entire all of the markets just falling all together, kind of like what happened in 2020. But that's for another video. But for now, yeah, watch the video for a move all the way up to $340. Now, let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. For those of y'all who dropped those in the comment section, the first one that we're going to address, that stock is Peloton. All right, now in regards to Peloton, let's see here. Peloton got demolished for some months now, and again, this is quite devastating when a company like goes up like this for so long, from 17 all the way up to 170, 10x gains, and then just drop all the way back down and give like 80% of its value. It's not the same company. There isn't any like obvious structure on the charts, and right now the only people who are like winning or the individuals who actually got puts over here, and they're just holding and seeing this thing fade, and they're adding on more puts right there, and it's just fading and it's fading and it's fading. Obviously it's not drastic. The volume is not as low as it used to be down here, but it is low. It is low, and it's just slowly fading down. I'm not touching this one. There isn't any obvious structure, and I don't think an opportunity is there for me to put my money in it. So I'm gonna have to pass on that one. If you're a long-term investor, good luck. I don't know when the stock is gonna bounce. Like, I have no idea. So that's my very honest opinion on that. Now the next one that we're going to discuss in this video, somebody asked me to look at ATVI. Now, in regards to ATVI, it actually popped after hours for some reason. All right, let's look at the daily. Okay, it's slowly trying to recover. There is a gap at 75. This is good for a long-term play. I think, yeah, it definitely is good for a long-term hold. You have to be patient, and right now it's just steady, which is nice. I think it can get up to $75. It may take up to, like, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. All right, and it could take 2 to 3 weeks to get up there, I think. All right, I think so. If you're interested in the stock at these levels, it's a very, very good place to actually grab stock or leaps. Again, it really all depends on your trading style and how you want to approach this thing. Now, the next one that we're going to address, the stocks that we talked about in the morning. All right, in the morning, I told y'all to watch Microsoft for a move up to 340. Right, I kind of draw this thing out right here. I told y'all to watch for the break of this resistance line. It got there and it broke right through, and it closed at exactly 342. I think it's just gonna chill sideways. I really do. I think it's just gonna stay under 344 before Thursday, and then we'll see if it can reach for 350. All right, but as of right now, it's not looking too bad. It's not looking bad at all. And congrats to anybody who were able to make some money on that one, along with the other stock from this morning, which was Facebook. All right, that one broke out perfectly and it went to 344. To also 344, as I told y'all in that one. So congrats to anybody who took that trade. The last stock that we're gonna talk about in this video, that stock is Jumia. Now, in regards to Jumia, this is one of these growth stocks that did not do too well after the initial pump, right? This is just sad. It's just slowly fading. It's slowly fading. Every single time it tries to make a move, it gets sold upon, and it also gets shorted. It gets shorted, and then it just keeps getting shorted. And there is this this descending triangle right there, which broke down through earnings, and it just kept going down and down. When is this thing going to bounce? I don't know. The previous level, like the previous lows, were at $7.50. Could it get that low again? It probably could. I think it might even get there by the end of the year. So if you're a long-term investor and you believe in the company, you definitely, like, this is really, really low, especially for those buying shares. Not options, for those buying shares. All right, this is at a tremendous discount, and if you really, really believe in the company, and you looked over the fundamentals of the company, and you have a good idea of where it's gonna go, and you think it's gonna go to the moon within the next 3 to 5 years, then this will be a good place to actually get Jumia. All right. I'm patient. I'm not touching this stock at all. I'm just patiently waiting for an opportunity to present itself. So it's my very honest thoughts on Jumia, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, helps the channel a lot and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on future uploads. If you would like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the very first link in the description of the video below. Also, if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. You can also find me on Facebook as well. That's in the description of the video below. Also, if you are brand new to trading, if you're brand new to all of this and you would like to get started, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. Alright, enjoy the outro.